The following is the first lesson of a unit on place value. In accordance with the Victorian curriculum standards, the focus is on recognising, representing and ordering numbers to at least hundreds of thousands. VCM NA 186. The lesson begins with a tuning in activity where students are asked to write the largest number they can in their books, as long as they can read it out correctly. Who has the largest number? Whole class instruction follows as we discuss and revise the place value of 3-digit numbers. As this is the first lesson, I was keen to explore what understanding the students had of place value. As they appeared quite confident identifying values up to hundreds, we explored 6-digit numbers. Using a game of houses structure, students are able to identify each number's place value according to the house position. This helps with students reading numbers like 83,080, where the zeros must be noticed but are not read aloud. A student activity follows. Using a game of houses structure, students are required to write down a 9-digit number and challenge a friend to guess their number. Students give clues to each other such as, I have an odd number in my thousands place. When partners have finished placing all digits in their house grid, they read aloud their guess. The opponent confirms the number is correct or incorrect and provides evidence by showing each other their grids. The student with the most points at the end of the game wins. To conclude, students share and read out their numbers to the class. Students write their numbers on the board to reinforce concepts learnt. In developing a unit on place value, I found it quite difficult to gauge the level and understanding the students were at in grade 6. Looking at the Victorian curriculum, I could see that they had done previous units on place value in previous years, yet still felt unsure on how confident they were with this concept. To accommodate this, I felt this lesson was a good introduction to the topic. Using a game as the core activity allowed me to sense where they were at whilst they were engaged and playing with friends. Surprisingly, they were all quite confident with their understandings of whole number place value. In response to feedback from the students in the first week, I initiated collaborative challenges to promote fun and engagement in math lessons. There was a certain stigma associated to math lessons that I aimed to overcome. Working in table groups, students gave themselves a team name and was awarded points throughout each lesson. These points translated into tickets that went into a mystery raffle jar. At the end of the unit, I would draw out one name that would win a prize. Students really responded to this, and they looked forward to the challenges throughout the lessons. In promoting games throughout each lesson, mathematical ideas emerged as students noticed new patterns, relationships and strategies.